of all is that you should get started by going here by using our link in the description so that you'd be able to get access to our exclusive deals and bonuses as you are setting up your account in here. So now to get started, just simply enter the email address in here. So my email address would be this one. I'm just going to paste that right here and I'm going to click here on start now to proceed. Now from here, as you can see, it will now be prompted in here into the sign up form. Now we just need to enter our email address again in here. So I could just type it again right there. And then choose a password. So in my case, I'll just fill a password using my password manager, and then I'm going to add it just so that I can remember. And then once you're done filling up your email, confirm email, choose a password, and then confirm password, you can now click here and sign up. You could also continue with Google, which is much faster and easier, and also with Facebook if you want to. But in my case, I'll just go for this method and click on sign up once you're done. And now from here, it would now ask you some starting questions like, who are you creating a website for? So in my case, I'll just go for myself and click on continue. And basically you can just answer these questions as this could give the AI a better idea on what it could suggest based on your answers for the website that you'll be creating. So in here, you can now bring your ideas to life with AI. So now you can tell about the site you're creating and get a personalized dashboard with everything you need to manage it. So now you could start chat if you want to use AI in building your website, or you can set up without chat if you don't want that. So in my case, I don't want to use AI. I just want to use templates. So I'm just going to click here on setup without chat right here. So click on there. And next is that it would ask you what type of website do you want to create. In my case, since we are going for an e-commerce store, I'm going to go for an online store, specifically a online jewelry store right there. And now click here on continue to proceed. And right here, it is now preparing our dashboard. So let's just wait for that. And as you can see, we are now here.